What's up, guys? We are in Merida, Mexico. Today we are going to just do some exploring. We're going to walk around. We're taking our clothes to a lavaderia, so we'll show you kind of a little bit of what that process is like. And then we're going to go explore Paseo Montejo. Paseo Montejo is the main strip here in Merida, and it's got a lot of mansions, it's got a lot of museums, and we'll take you guys along the way. So we made a stop in Parque de Santa Ana. It's right off the side street from Paseo Montejo. It's a beautiful little park. We'll show you guys around a little bit, and then we're gonna go explore.
We just stopped at this little place in the park. We just sat down for breakfast. We are getting tacos for breakfast. However, we're also getting what they call agua naturales. I got the strawberry flavor and Aaron got lemon lime, so we'll see how that goes.
What do you think?
It's delicious. I don't know how we waited so long to try this.
Got our tacos.
Carne asada tacos. They good?
Real good.
Has anybody seen a white pigeon before? Because I have not. And we just saw this little guy here in the park.
Totally destroyed these. How would you rate them?
Solid 8 to 9 out of 10. The most meat that we've had in a taco so far. And I did like that it was a double tortilla. And these drinks are delicious.
We just finished up with lunch at the taco restaurant in Parque de Santa Ana. Couldn't be happier with what we had. Everything was delicious. Now we're going to go explore Paseo Montejo, and we'll take you guys along the way. This is Montejo 495. It's open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5 p.m. Today it's closed for maintenance. Cost of admission is 250 pesos a person, so a little pricier than a lot of the museums. However, this is a family home. It's been owned by the same family since 1964. It is the same family that actually at one point owned Chichen Itza. It's known as one of the twin houses. Its sister property was sold for $18 million in 2019.
So we are currently sitting in the famous kissing chairs that you will see all over Merida. They are famous to the Yucatan state, I believe.
Yep.
And you sit opposite your partner. They're connected in that way. You can kiss. They're very cute, and you see them all over the city.
This is the Paseo Canton, also known as the Regional Museum of Anthropology. Got converted into a museum in 1966. Before that, it was an art school. Before that, it was a boarding school. And way before that, it was someone's house. The museum was great. They held our backpack for us, since you're not allowed to have backpacks at the museum. However, they did let Shannon keep her tote bag. I will say there is no tour in English, so be sure to brush up on your Spanish or be prepared to use a lot of Google Translate.
One other thing you guys should know is that Merida as a city is hot. Just make sure if you're gonna come walk around the city that you always have a bottle of water on you.
So, little fact about Paseo Montejo, it is 6 kilometers long. So we will not be walking the whole thing today. I'll put what that is in miles right here. And yeah, we're gonna walk until we can't walk anymore, and then we're gonna go back. This roundabout is called Monumento a la Patria, also known as the Monument to the Fatherland. It was commissioned in 1956 and has been a part of the city for over 60 years. It was made by a Colombian sculptor, and it has over 300 hand-carved images in it. So we stopped at a Starbucks to get a quick little coffee. And I think we're gonna head back to the house after this. We just finished up at Starbucks, and we are walking home now down Paseo Montejo. We're gonna head back to the house, do a little bit of work, and yeah, I think that's kind of the day. Fun little fact about Merida, there are parts of the city that have free Wi-Fi. So we're back at the house. I think this is gonna be kind of it for today. We're gonna take you guys out again tomorrow to show you how everything goes with the lavanderia. And hopefully we're gonna get a little bit of a snack that we will take you guys along with. So I'll see you then. So we're on our way to pick up our laundry from the lavanderia. We'll show you guys kind of how that process goes. We'll let you guys know what we think about it. So we dropped our laundry off at the lavanderia probably around 10 o'clock. And it was ready the next day by 12 p.m. Everything was washed beautifully. Everything was folded beautifully. And it only cost 113 pesos. So we tipped them a little bit. We paid 140 for everything. I'll put how much that is on the screen here in USD. We couldn't be happier with the quality they gave us. It is now day 3 of this vlog, and we are going to get some donuts. Take you guys along with us like always. These Volkswagens are literally everywhere in Merida. Be aware, this place is not on Google. Find them on Instagram. That's amazing.
Obviously we hated it.
finished up at the donut shop. Everything was awesome. Definitely recommend there. Get it with ice cream because I think it's a little sweeter and it brings out more of the flavor. We're just gonna head back to the house. We are hitting Paseo Montejo one more time just to kind of see the sights. And I think that's where we're gonna end this one, guys. See you on the next one.